Hi, my name is Sandy Bauman. I'm the Sustainability Coordinator here at the UNT Health Science Center at Fort Worth, and this is a video on how to grow your own sprouts. There are a lot of different benefits to growing your own sprouts. The first is they can be grown really quickly. In fact, most seeds you can get in as little as 4 or 5 days. Also, they're really convenient. You don't need a huge garden bed, you don't need a lot of supplies, you just need a few of them. Also, they're a really inexpensive way to grow your own food. And they're a nutrition powerhouse. In fact, broccoli sprouts have a compound in them that really help protect against cancer. So let's get started. The first thing you need is a glass jar. Glass jars come in a lot of different sizes depending on what you want to sprout and how much. We recommend starting out with a medium size so that way you can get a feel for it. Next, you'll need a sprouting lid. Now, sprouting lids, what's really important is airflow and water drainage. So you'll notice that they have holes to allow for both of those things. And we also like these lids with the feet on it, so that way it allows for the airflow and the water drainage. Now, if you don't have these lids, you can get something as simple as cheesecloth, put it over the top, a rubber band, and then you can turn it over in a bowl to still allow for that airflow and the water drainage. Next, you'll need a little plate. Now, we recommend having something with a lip that it catches the water as it's draining. And last of all, you'll need your seeds. Now, the seeds that we'll be demonstrating today is a 5-part seed mix. It has alfalfa, mung bean, radish, broccoli, and lentils. And it's a great mix because it's really mild flavor. You could use it in a lot of different things, and it's really easy to grow. The most important thing when sprouting is maintaining food safety. So you want to make sure everything is really clean before you start. Your jar, your lid, your plate, and you want to wash hands really thoroughly. All right, the first step is you want to take your seeds and the jar. Now, we use about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons depending on how much sprouts you want. And you're just going to cover these seeds with water, put the lid on, and then you're going to let that sit for 8 to 10 hours. Or what's really easy and convenient for most people is to do it before step when you wake up. Now, after 8 to 10 hours, you are going to drain the water and you're going to rinse one more time. And I like to swirl it around just to make sure that you get all the seeds. And then you're going to drain the water once again. And then I just like to slowly shake it to spread out the seeds along the glass. And then you're going to set it on your plate and let that sit 8 to 10 hours. Now, once that has sat, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take it and rinse it, swirl it around a little bit, make sure you drain really well, and then lightly shake to get the seeds along the glass. And then just turn it over. All right, as you're rinsing and draining day after day, you'll start to notice your sprouts growing. This shows you after a day, so you'll start to see the sprouts emerging from the seed. This is after about 2 days, so you'll notice that the sprouts start to get larger, they start to fill up more space, and it is completely fine to see the roots come out from the bottom. You'll just want to make sure that those drain really quick day to day. And this one is about after 5 days of growing and they're ready to eat. Now, sprouts may grow different times depending on the temperature where you're growing them. They may grow faster in warmer weather and slower in colder weather. Also, you may notice some little hairs coming from the roots. Don't mistake that for mold. It is completely fine. It is the root hairs. So now they're ready to eat. Let's show you how to store them. You can eat your sprouts right away, but if you want to store them for later, you can choose an airtight container. So you're going to place a paper towel in the bottom just to catch any extra moisture. You're going to gently place your sprouts in that container, and you can store them up to 4 or 5 days in the fridge. So thanks for watching. For more videos on sustainability, sprouts, or nutrition, be sure to check out the Gibson D. Lewis Library YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and happy sprouting.